What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on, turn off or set up automatic flash on your camera on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Right, so let me open up my camera here, and once you open up your camera guys, you want to ensure that it's on photo. Below, as you can see, there's portrait, there is also video, and even more. So you want to ensure that it is on photo. That's the first thing. Then on the uppermost left hand side, there is a gear, and there is also lightning with a strike through or anything that looks like a lightning that represent the flash, right? Now, as you can see right now, when I click on that option, there are three options here. The first one with the lightning with the strike through, that signifies that the camera is on, and when I take a photo, then this will not do a flash. Now, the second one with the A, it signifies auto. So if you're in a dark area or area with not so much light and the phone detect that it requires a flash, it will do a flash when you take a picture. And the final one is on. When you press this one, you'll be able to take a photo with a flash like that. Very easy and very simple.